Okay, so the other day I was out in the garden and I was trimming back some of the lower vines on my tomato plants and I noticed some aphids. So I've ordered some ladybugs, and Brian and I are out here in the garden and we are going to release them. Supposed to be 1,500 ladybugs.
Well, they all look good and healthy.
Yep, they're going. So anyway, we're going to release those. We're not exactly sure how to do it. We've seen it on someone else's video one time, and they basically just set it out and they went and did their thing. So I think we're going to shake a few of them off in both of the tomato beds to the left and right, and this is kind of in the center of the garden space.
We're gonna have to wait till sundown.
Okay, so never mind, we got to wait till it starts to get dark. I forgot about that. I remember seeing that on Eric and Ariel's video.
So just kidding,
we'll see you guys at sundown. Okay, we are out in the garden and we are releasing some ladybugs for any aphids that we may have.
Take that over there.
Okay, I can't really video and do this too, but just sprinkle them down in there, honey.
Yep.
A little bit in each of these tomato beds.
They're all falling.
Oh, they're all falling on mine too.
I'll call you back.
Okay, bye.
Are you guys sure they're not the beetles?
Yes.
Okay, don't step on my... Yeah.
I'm trying to catch them. They're all falling.
Yeah, I didn't get very many, but I need some in these two beds right here. Oh, you got a lot.
They're all climbing over.
Well, come over here, go by tomato plants, and shake your hands inside there, down toward the bottom. I'm videoing. I'm all over the place with the camera. Okay, down toward the bottom, baby. That way they'll find the water. Probably just the tomatoes is where I've been seeing them at. A little bit in that bucket, maybe. So when I was pinning back my tomatoes is when I saw some aphids down at the base of them. They're all over me. Is there any more we need?
We'll put the rest of these over here.
Oh yeah, got tomatoes over there too. I forget I'm videoing. These are tomatoes and the two in the back. So I've never done ladybugs before. So I thought that would be a good way to make sure we're not going to have a problem with the aphids.
They're not shaking out. I'm just going to lay that down in there.
Let me see it.
It's okay.
It's okay. That's what they're going to do.
I'm trying so hard not to step on all of them.
Yeah, just watch for them.
We get that bed right there.
Some.
Still a lot of them in here.
Yeah, you can't turn them loose during daytime because they'll fly off.
You know, at night, they're going to get them a drink of water and they're going to
Go to bed.
go to bed. And then they'll know this is their home. Hopefully.
We got watermelons yet.
I know, and I knocked one of my biggest watermelon off today.
Oh, you knocked it off?
I did. That's the one that was in the house. I was trying to wrap it.
Does it taste like a watermelon
It's
or a
Not-
cucumber?
probably more like a cucumber.
Does diatomaceous earth bother ladybugs?
I don't know. I'm sure it doesn't, because diatomaceous earth is really good for...
So ladybugs are supposed to kill all the worms?
Everything. They will absolutely eat up some stuff.
Okay, I've got them all released.
I saw a ladybug in the bag that had no dots. It was cool. Try not to
That was the food they shipped with.
Yeah, the cotton ball.
Yeah,
There's some on there.
but
I'm gonna put you...
we'll let them do their thing and they'll lay eggs and have babies and keep eating all the bugs out here.
And then the babies will grow up and have babies. And then
Look at the grouping
the babies will...
of those all together.
Yes, I know. They're a different kind of aroma this year than last year.
It's
Okay,
going.
guys. So we released the ladybugs. Thanks for coming along with
Be
us.
free.